Most travel businesses don't lose customers because of pricing. They lose them because they don't respond fast enough. A user shows interest, asks about the packages, wait for a reply, and within a minute they are already booking somewhere else. But what if instead every inquiry got an instant reply, every user was guided step by step, and booking started happening automatically? So that's exactly what I have built using Pabbly Chatflow. This is a fully automated WhatsApp chatbot specially designed for travel agencies that handles everything: lead capture, package browsing, booking details, and even follow-ups. And the best part, it works 24/7 without you touching your phone. So now let me show you how this works in real time. See, the conversation is initiated by my side as this highly converting WhatsApp template message is sent to my user, and it is dynamic and personalized because it includes their name. So instead of sending generic message, it feels like one-to-one conversation. It includes all the offer related details along with two quick buttons, name as view packages and talk to expert. Now as soon as the user click on this view packages button, they can interact easily. Immediately the chatbot responds by sending them top travel picks. Now when the user select any one of these packages, the chatbot takes over the conversation and start guiding them towards the booking. First it's asked for the preferred travel date as when they would like to travel. Once the user shares the date, the bot continues the conversation and asks them to share their full name, next the contact number. And now here's where it becomes powerful. Once the user shares all their details, the chatbot automatically sends them a personalized request received message. This message dynamically includes everything the users provided, such as the name as a test user, contact number, selected trip type from the list as Maldives escape, and the travel date too. And one message that is, our expert at Travelly stores are now checking real-time availability, best pricing, and exclusive deals tailored for you. So this is the exact automated WhatsApp chatbot that we are going to build in this video. By using Pabbly Chatflow, all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. But before we move ahead, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. This is the best tool that I have ever used for creating a WhatsApp chatbot. And not only the chatbot, with the help of this single tool, you can build an AI assistant, broadcast messages, and many more. Now without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this chatbot. So see, this is the Pabbly Chatflow flow builder page. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, then it is perfect. But if you are not, then go for Pabbly, pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. After doing this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software. Once you done the sign up process, you will reach towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and after reaching it, on the left hand side you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. You just have to come in this flows feature. Next you have to click on the plus add flow button that were present on the right hand side, and after that you will successfully come in this page. See, this is the starting point of your flow, name as trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow. Here I have given the name. After that, I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and actions. Under these options you will see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Now let's get started. At first you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger event. I am creating this flow with the help of template, so I am selecting my trigger event as template selected. Next I am clicking on this choose template button and selecting this exclusive travel offer template from here. See, this is the template that I want to send to my user. Now for creating this templates, you have to click on this templates feature. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp templates for your different type of businesses. See, templates are the predefined messages that were used for easy access and scale communication. In simple terms, templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your side. I have already created one template before by the name of exclusive travel offer, and you can see I entered one variable here as name, and I added two curly braces in front and the end too. Place of this variable, automatically the user's name will come. So for creating a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button. We have have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. Now we will go back to our flow. After selecting the template, you will see it includes two quick options as view packages and talk to expert. Whenever the user will click on this view packages button, then my bot will reply to them by sending them this type of message along with one list of types of options. So for setting up this message, I am adding one list button from here. As you can see, this list button is divided in three parts, named as header, body and footer, where in this case I am not writing any header or footer, so I am leaving these boxes blank and directly writing a message on this enter body box. As awesome, here are some topics for you. After that, I am clicking on this edge section button and entering a section title as strip types. Now for adding this list of types of options, you have to click on this plus add items button. Here I am adding only 3 types of trips, but you can add more. The process of adding items in the list will be the same. Here I added the first one is Goa Gateway, second one is Maldives Escape, and the third one is Bali Retreat. I also entered the description in this enter description boxes about the details of each trips. Here I have entered this content by my choice. You can customize it completely based on your own business. After that, I am linking this circle which represents in front of view packages to this list node. Now whenever the user will select the trip type that they want to book, then my bot will reply to them. But before that, I am going through the setup of custom field tags. So for that, I am clicking on this actions option and adding button as set custom field and selecting the contact custom field as trip type. After that, in the center value box, I'm going to write this, that is Goa Gateway, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this trip type. That's why I am linking this to this. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, tags, trip type, contact number and many more. In simple terms, contact custom fields are used to send personalized message to each user. Here I have setting this contact custom field not specifically for this trip type. Now I am going to do the setup of 2 more contact custom field nodes for each of these trip types. Here I have added, as you can see, that I use the same contact custom field in each of these nodes as a strip type, but only change the value completely based on the input that I have entered in this enter title box. You also have to make sure that the input you have entered in this enter title box is the same you have to write in this enter value box. At the end, this will help your bot to provide customized message to your users completely based on their selected choice. In real time, it works like this. As soon as I have selected the Maldives Escape from this list, it will automatically mention it in front of the trip type. So this is how it works in real time. Now when the user will share the trip type that they want to book, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share the date when they would like to travel. So for that, I am adding one ask a question button from here and entering a question in this enter message box as when would you like to travel. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as date and the format is date. Next is the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times you give retry attempts to your users for answering this question. It also works for those type of cases, as here you can select the format as date, but user will reply to your bot in the format of email. Then you can increase the number of attempts for your user so that they can re-answer this question. But make sure that whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message in this enter message box. For this case, you can enter the validation message like this, that please enter the date in the correct format. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I am linking all these 3 contact custom field not circle to this question box because connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now when the user will share the travel date, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their full name and the contact number. So for that, I am again doing the same that I have done here, means I am adding 2 more questions in this flow. The process of adding questions in the flow will be the same. Here I have added, as again and again I am saying that I am designing this flow by my choice, but you can customize it completely based on your own business. You can add more question, remove it, make it more interactive, more interesting accordingly. In this question node, I ask my user to share their full name. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as full name and the format as text. After that, in this node, I write the messages, please share your contact number so our travel consultant can reach you. That's why I have selected the contact custom field as contact number, and the format is number. Now when all these communication will done, then at last my bot will provide one customized request receive message to the user that dynamically includes all their provided input. So for that I am adding one text button from here and entering a respond message on this enter message box as all set with dollar symbol full name. Your travel request has been received. Here's what we have got: name with dollar symbol full name, contact number, trip type and date. As you can see that I have used a dollar symbol before some fields because it is a contact custom field symbol, and with the help of this symbol automatically the user input will come. Here in this step, whenever the user will share their full name, then with the help of this contact custom field not full name, the bot will automatically capture the user's provided response and mention their name in this place. This is same for all the rest of these contact custom fields too. Now I am connecting this question not to text button. After that the next option is talk to expert. When the user will click on this button, then my bot will share them the contact details of the expert. So for that I am entering the details in this enter message box. Here I have entered and our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button so that your flow will be saved and updated. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. Now I am going to test this flow to check whether it is working perfectly or not by sending this template message to my WhatsApp business account. So for sending it, I am going in this inbox feature, selecting myself as a contact. After that I am clicking on this option and selecting this exclusive travel offer template. Now in this body name field I am entering the dollar name with name. See, with the help of this dollar symbol and this variable, automatically the user's name will come. After that I am clicking on this option and uploading this image by clicking on this insert button. See, this is the final look of the template that are going to visible in front of your user. After that I am clicking on the send button and you will see template is sent successfully, and immediately I received two that includes my name as a test user. It is only made possible with the help of this dollar symbol that I have used in front of this name. So this is how it works. Now I am clicking on this view packages button. Then it replies to me like this, that awesome, here are some top picks for you along with one option in the form of list. Once I click on it, it will provide me the types of packages that I have entered in this list node. Let's say I want to book a Goa gateway, so I am selecting this option. After that it is asking me to send the date that when I would like to travel, so I am sending a date as 14th May 2026. Next it is asking me for my full name that I send test user. After that I am sending one test contact number 2, and once I send all my information, you will see I have received one customized request receive message from the bot that includes my name as a test user, exact same that I have shared, contact number, trip type as Goa gateway that I have selected from the list, and the travel date too, completely personalized. So this is how it works in real time. And if you want to send this templates to hundreds or even thousands of your contacts by just one click, then you can go in this broadcast feature. See, this is the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this, you can send the messages to your multiple users by just one click. It is perfect for announcement, promotions and updates. So not only one, you can explore multiple things inside this single tool. So go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. This is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.